Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me introduce our space capsule house. Go inside, you can see this model comes with smart control panel.
Turn on the lights.
The whole house smart control system allows for one-click adjustment of light, air conditioning, and curtains. It can also voice control. 小智管家，
怎么了？
打开天窗。
好呀。
The entire house's intelligent control system allows for one-click adjustment of lights, skylights, and curtains.
This is the living room area. It can fit a 1.8 meter long sofa.
Featuring large floor, to-ceiling windows, all equipped with motorized curtains too. Effectively protects your privacy. This is the luxury living room of S3, equipped with a full set of soft furnishings home, appliances, and lighting systems.
Open this door. Leads to this 4 square meter balcony, and the floor is waterproof. You can enjoy this scenery anytime that you want.
Next time, let's take a tour of the luxurious bedroom.